Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna reviewing this Logitech Z337 2.1 multimedia speaker system that has inbuilt Bluetooth, which is very nice. And let's start with the subwoofer. This is the front side of the subwoofer, which is covered with a plastic ring and a net to protect the subwoofer, and that's a 5-inch driver. The left side, this is a port, and the right side there is nothing. Now let's take a look at the back. This is the subwoofer gain controller, and here is the auxiliary input and the RC input, and these two are speaker outputs, and this one is for the controller, and this one is the power input. Now let me show you the controller. This is the one. It's a quite big knob that is very nice, and I like it. And on the right side of that you get the headphone input, and there you get the LED light for power on and the Bluetooth indicator, and the left side you get the Bluetooth button, and this button is to turn your home theater system on and off. So this is it, and now let me show you the power cord. This is the end of the power cord, and the Logitech provided 3 type of connector depending on your power sources. This is the one, as you can see, this is the most common, and I use this one. And this is another one which has a inbuilt fuse in here. It's a 3-pin, and this is for, I think, UK plug, US plug, I think. And another one, this is quite nice. It doesn't matter which country you are in, and or what is how your power plugs are, but this is gonna work. So now let me show you the channels. This is one, and it made out of MDF board, and it's quite light, and it has a 3-inch driver. This is the back side of it. The build quality is quite nice, and this is the left one. It's also same, so nothing more in it. It's time for a sound test.